Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm here to do a flip through. So I have a little playlist. I think it was just a two-parter in making this journal, and I made this one at the same time. This one's for a swap, so it's going to be given away, and this one will be listed in my Etsy shop when I open it. Okay, so I thought I'd do a flip through of the journals. They're both very similar, so I'll do this one in detail because this is the one you've seen me make. Okay, so it is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4 for the cover. The inside pages are 4 by 3, and the brief was Autumn Journal 4 by 3. So I have made the covers a little bit different, and of course when you add the binding, that makes it bigger again. So it makes this about 4 inches wide there, and as I say, we are 4 1/4 long. Okay, and so it's quite chunky. It is about an inch, about 1.25 inches deep. It could grow a bit. We always like our journals to be able to grow a bit. And gosh, I can't remember how many pages that there is. Let me do a quick count. And there are 64 pages front and back, and I'm counting the envelope as 2 pages as well. So lots and lots of pages in there. So it might be small, but there is a lot of journaling space in there as well. So let's have a little flip through. I have been and added a few more documents to it as well. So I've added one there. I used a different old document on the back. So these are just shrunk down from the old design shop. So those are those clusters and labels that are made, and the little tags, kept them very, very simple. Obviously there's room to add more things to it as well. We've got a flip out there. I didn't do any inking, but I did do a little bit of stamping there. Another tag, and the other half of that document, I sort of put it around the page. So we've got a bit of decoration on 2 pages with it. There's that page with the doily on it. There's our envelope, which has just a bit of tea dyed paper there, and you could add little bits of memories in there, tickets, whatever you like. Another document there. I sort of looked at the colours and sort of matched them up. Another tag and a flip out there of Edith Holden, page there for writing on. That's another document that's been doubled over. I liked the way the colours went there. There's the book page, and I kind of matched with the clusters the book page that I used. So that could be, you could add pictures to that, you could stick things on there, you could add some tea dyed paper and write on it. There, that's another one of those faux vintage documents that's gone over the 2 pages. Another little flip out, so plenty of writing space in this one. There we are. That's an old birthday book there. Chose the months to go with autumn because it is an autumn themed. Oh, I could have put one of those documents on there. Oh, must have missed that page. Might move one if I feel that there's too much. So there's some vintage note paper there. We've got Edith Holden. So I've put a few bits of original things in there. Another little document there. Little grid page. In here, there's some more tea dyed paper. These are those Edith Holden prints from that CD-ROM that I got. All the stamps are stamping up and the inks are stamping up. Nice little bit of vellum. Love that vellum. I thought it went quite well in this journal here. Another little flip out with Edith Holden, matching our leaves. You know, Edith Holden leaves there. Another little document. Done a bit of stamping underneath there. Love that page. Oops. So I'm not sure if they're... I kind of looked in my plant books to make sure they were autumnal. Bit of inking have come off, but I actually don't mind that. I think that looks quite cool. So another little document there. I added a bit of stamping to make it look a bit older. Here we've got an October in that birthday page. Chose colour of the ink to match the paper. Another faux document there. And another one there. I do like the way it then looks on the other side. I think that goes quite well. It's more of that vintage note paper. And there we are. Love that little check there. Good colours to go with these pumpkins. So that is the journal that I'm sending to a swap. Hopefully, well, I'm going to make sure that they've received it before I do this flip through. And then the other one, very, very similar. I did the cover different because of the different paper. I thought that paper was just beautiful and it didn't need much else than this book plate. But if you remember this bigger journal that I did, I really liked the way that looked, so I nicked that idea. And those are some die cut and embossed leaves that I've then sort of inked a bit to make them look a little bit more aged and sort of like the colour of autumn, and it's the same colour as the one in the background. So I made a different sort of label there. That was the same labels that I made in this journal, and I do have a video on making those. That was an idea I got from, I think it was Seven Plaza, not sure. You check the video out and you can, I have linked to the video I got it from. So just a little journal, little check there. So I have done the same thing throughout this one. One of these envelopes has got a vintage document in it. Yes, this one. Instead of tea-dyed paper, I put that in. When I cut up the big one, I had that, well, ripped up. I had that on it, and I thought, oh, I'll just put that in the envelope. That would be nice. So there we go. Some more Edith Holden there. Another one of those documents. It's just folded over, clipped on there. That's not a very old book, but I just like it, and I sort of chose the leaves to sort of match. Got another bit of vintage document there, just folded over. I haven't clipped that one in because it's quite big, but sort of hold in place. Another little flip out. Modern ledger paper there. Some October, another little, just a little receipt there. 1881, a copy of one from 1881. There we go, and I matched the leaf to there. Kind of liked that. There's our little flip out. Another flip out, another little receipt there. And you can see a little bit behind there. Another little, you can see they're very, very similar. I think this one's got tea-dyed paper in. Yes, it has. Pop it back. Simple closure there. And that one, I've wound it round that way, just to be different. Some more of that vellum. Another little flip out. Another little receipt there. I liked the green on there. I thought it went well with the green leaves. So I've just folded in half long ways for a change. Love the purples there. Another little flip out. Lots and lots of space in here for writing in. Just put a little check there. Again, another big check there. Just a single sheet there for journaling on. Liked that. I thought the colours of this went well with that page there. It's more of my vintage note paper. And there's another bit of journaling there. I do like the way you can get a sneak peek on one side. And that just breaks that up. So that is our 2 journals. So I hope you check out that's the original. So that I've got as well. So I am liking these ring bound journals. They're now getting a little bit chunky. It was when I added all the paper clips that made it a bit chunkier there at the top, which is quite good because it kind of balances out the chunkiness at the bottom with the pockets, so it sort of makes it a bit more even. So that worked well. So I hope you like that. I will link down to my Etsy shop when I've opened it, yeah, that's on my to-do list. That's on my to-do list to do. So yeah, hope you like that. Linked to my coffee site if you want to, Ko-fi, if you want to buy me a virtual coffee, that would be lovely. And I'll link to any of the Stampin' Up things that are still current that you can buy, like this paper and these dies. Yeah, hope you like that. And thanks for watching me. Do like and subscribe if you like what I do. And I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now.